Refinance holder, if I tell you to refinance will make you a rich man, will make you millionaire, so I think I am 100% right. Let's see, my brother, I give you proof, I give you guarantee to after this video, if you understand what I taught you, then exactly, my friend, they will make you millionaire, and absolutely you believe to really they will make you millionaire. Let's get started this brand video. Kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request to kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more this type of brand videos. Kindly subscribe and absolutely like this video. My brother, this time you can see they fails down. Free coin for this time you can see the refinance is completely fails down, and absolutely, and this time all cryptocurrencies go in the moon, my friend. They will wake up and they completely go in the moon. So don't see this short fall. Absolutely, if you can see the average is completely gonna be positive and they will go in the moon now. My brother, don't see this is just update, my friend. Every cryptocurrency after a fail they take a jump. So I just tell you, my brothers, to don't see this short fail. What I tell you, please try to understand, my brother. If you can see this time, the average is completely going to be positive and they completely straight and the moon, my brother. So you can see every cryptocurrency after a jump they fails down like that small jump, but absolutely they fails down like that. So exactly this time you can see they take a short fail, not a big fail, my friend, short fail. But after this you can see they wake up again and they jump. So exactly, my friend, this time you can see also they fails down for a short time. If you remember the last 1 hour chart, so make sure to they fails down in the last 1 hour. And after this fails, I know, my friend, I'm 100% sure to after this fails, I give you guarantee they take a jump. Yes, exactly, they will take a jump. This is not a motivational and this is not a financial video, so kindly try to understand what I talk you, my brother. This time absolutely after this fails they take a jump, so try to understand this is absolutely holding time. Absolutely, if you want to buy more, then exactly this is very good time to you buy it and hold it and wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching, holder. Please hope you understand what I talk you. Please hold and wait for the end of month. I hope, my brothers, they will give you very good profit at the end of month. So thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.